Hey there, welcome to It Life in the Limelight Kenya. In today's video, we're diving deep into a thrilling comparison between two of East Africa's biggest music stars, Akothee, the Kenyan popular female artist, and Diamond Platnumz, the Tanzanian bongo sensation. The burning question on everyone's lips is, who's richer? Let's find out. First up, we'll take a closer look at Akothee's daily lifestyle. Akothee is not just a talented singer, she's a business mogul, a mother, and an inspiration to many. Her life is a flurry of activity, from her luxurious homes to her high-end cars and her stylish fashion choices. You'll get a behind-the-scenes peek at how she lives her life to the fullest. Please, if you like what we're doing, subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Akothee's business ventures are diverse. She has a successful music career, with hit songs that have topped the charts in Kenya and beyond. But that's not all. She's also involved in the beauty industry, has real estate investments, and runs various online businesses. Her social media presence is huge, and she uses it to connect with her fans and promote her brands. On the other side of the ring, we have Diamond Platnumz. He's a global bongo star, with a massive fan base not just in Tanzania but across the world. His music is infectious, and his live shows are nothing short of spectacular. Diamond has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the African music scene and even some international artists. His net worth is a result of his successful music albums, sold-out concerts, brand endorsements, and his own record label. He's known for his glamorous lifestyle, with expensive jewelry, designer clothes, and a fleet of luxury vehicles. Throughout the video, we'll analyze their assets, income streams, and public spending habits to make an educated guess about who's the artist. So we're curious to know who comes out on top in this battle of feet. Forget to like, share, and subscribe to It Life in the Limelight Kenya for more exciting content about the lives of your favorite African celebrities. Let the debate begin. Hey family, if you crave the glitz and glamour of African entertainment, you're in for a treat. Life in the Limelight Kenya offers exclusive celebrity behind-the-scene videos that'll leave you hooked. We're the home of African entertainment. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook now for more of this fun. Don't miss out. They Call Me Mighty Man is here.